Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, satellite radio, leather seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD, navigation system, backup camera, push button start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.